Okay, next quick exercise is what do you do with heights that are output from that magnet field software after you created the CSV file, like we have this outside control CSV. These are all ground elevations. We're going to be using for this exercise spheres of certain size which were sitting on actual fixed height poles. So I do have to make a whole new tab. Typically what I do just to make everything simpler is I copy the first set of coordinates into a new sheet, just make everything visible, and then over here I have to run a routine which adjusts the heights properly over top of the ground point. So if you're using the DiCarlo survey kits and you're using only the bottom section of the pole with the 230 millimeter spheres, your height above ground is exactly 3.793 feet. And we'll just copy this over to the last setting here. Now with this, this is our resulting coordinate for scene reading the position of where the center of the actual sphere was. So if we compare, obviously, this data set, these are ground coordinates, these are the centers of spheres coordinates. And what you want to do is you just want to save this as another CSV control point or file, and we'll call it adjusted. It doesn't have to be like that, but I like adjusted. And Excel will always complain saying, hey, you have multiple sheets. You can just hit OK. But if I look at my folder view here, you'll see that there is now a CSV file that is, let me close this, don't save. So if we reopen this, it's in the correct sequence, meaning easting, northing elevation, and the heights are correct. So this is actually the file that you will want to be then importing into Scene and using for control.